the monster truck final racing, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, this is going to be a long final. And then with those show radios, we're going to get all of you to decide who's going to win. On the comeback city, but we got Psycho Pat going up against our only Saskatchewan monster truck, ladies and gentlemen. Jason Courtney Roughneck. Who do you think's gonna win? Psycho Pat? Jason Courtney Roughneck? Alright, here we go. This is the final. Saskatchewan in a roughneck, taking the win. Alright, alright, we're gonna go to my favorite part of the show, ladies and gentlemen. Are you ready for some freestyle? This is where we let them come on the track and they can do whatever they want. That was when we were saving the bus for it, but apparently we didn't listen at our driver's meeting. But we're going to start off with freestyle, mini monster truck style. And ladies, she's back! Mama D from Medicine, Alberta, in the truck she calls Thumper. The truck was just built this year by the Rabbit Monster Truck team. And the truck was actually built for Boomer. But Mama D wanted to get involved. She says, I'm going to drive that truck. So here she is. Freestyle, she's allowed to do whatever she wants. She took a nasty rollover in Swift turn. She rolled in Swift turn. She ran into Boomer racing in Lloydminster. So she's a little hesitant to make jumps. Because her back needs what? I said hesitant to the big jump. You want to see her hit the big jump? It's Mama D in the Thumper. She's tightening up the seatbelts. Gonna back up. No, I don't know if I want to walk. I gotta hide back here. Oh, she's getting a run at it. Go back! She wanted, but that's it. Mama D, ladies and gentlemen, show her some love. She's the one that looked after all of us. She's my ultimate cover. First time she's ever driven anything like that. So she did a pretty good job. A little bit too slippery there on that big jump. She should have backed up farther. But you gotta pay attention because we're gonna need your help to decide the winner of super modified mini monster trucks. Coming out of Weyburn, Saskatchewan, ladies and gentlemen, Truckee Miles Oil Split. And you gotta make some noise. This is Dylan Boulder. Oh, he's going for the big one right away. That's the way you do it. Mini monster truck weighing in at about 3,500 pounds. And it's rough. It is rough, I'll tell you. You can take a beating inside those little trucks. They're equipped with the same radio kills that they have in the big monster trucks. Going over the Yorkton, getting some air. Weyburn, Saskatchewan, the Crew Boys. Oh, he's going for the big one again. Make some noise! Oh, yeah! Standard oil slick. Setting the bar up in the monster truck. Super modified mini freestyle. Oh, doing some crab walking. Doing some crab walking. I said there's no time frame for them. They can do whatever they want to do. He's gonna try some Saskatchewan donuts because it's kind of greasy out there. And these trucks have some really aggressive stuff. Make some noise! This is awesome! Make the big jumps. Good job, Dylan. Normally call him Sparky. He's a welder by trade. But that's him. All right. So you guys done yet? Ready to go home? Really? Do we have to bring this kid out again? Ladies and gentlemen, coming out of Medicine Hat, Alberta, Buddy 2.0. He ain't gonna be put aside by young. Oh, huge air. Buddy 2.0 from the Crew Boys. Buddy likes air. All right. 14 years old, been around the monster truck scene for years. Part of the Rabbit monster truck team. Now, make some noise. Boomer's gonna go back. Go, Boomer! Oh, yeah! You guys want Boomer to go real big? He'll do it, but he's gotta have some noise from you guys. You wanna see Boomer go big? You gotta make some noise! He's running up the step! Make some noise for Boomer! He was eyeing that thing up all day. He says, I'm gonna hit that thing. I'm like, no, you're not. Yes, I am. Yes, see him in it! There he goes! Oh, yeah! Up and coming monster truck driver right there. 14-year-old Bummer Sackman, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely fearless kid. And his favorite food, pay attention, Fruit Loops. And he's doing Fruit Loops right now, ladies and gentlemen. Bummer Sackman, buddy, 2-1! And possibly, what do you guys think? I don't know. Jessica said, should they give him the win for the freestyle? Should we give him the win for the freestyle? I don't know. I gotta bring up the rest here. Here's the rest of the team. We're gonna bring them up here. This is Sparky Lolo from Weyburn, Saskatchewan, Dylan, as we call him. He was driving oil slick. How'd he do? you do? Pretty good. Ladies, where's the ladies? This is Mama D. How did you do? Thanks to the love. Okay, we're gonna go home now.
Let's go home!
How about Boomer Sackman? It's a tie! It's a tie! Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, your super modified mini monster truck driver. Students of love. Thank you, team. That Boomer, I don't even know how he puts his helmet on that every time. It gets larger and larger. That head keeps growing. Good job, Boomer. Now he's going to chase the side by side. Alright. Don't forget, after our show, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be signing autographs down there by the merchandise tent. We're going to still have the beer gardens open. And right here at the front gate, we're going to be doing monster truck rides also. So we're going to do monster truck rides after the show. Anybody want to see some monster truck freestyle? Kind of like what the little ones just did? You want to see some monster truck freestyle? Ladies and gentlemen, the legend coming out of Medicine Hat, Alberta. It's Jed in sheer insanity. He says, is it a truck? Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No! It's a truck gone insane! Here he comes! Do not set down your camera! Do not set down your camera! Been driving monster trucks for over 35 years. And he loves big air. Oh my.
That's the first time I think we've ever
Do we have any welders in the crowd? Any welders? You might need a welder. Oh, Jed. Jed. What happened, buddy? I broke it. It's as simple as that. He broke it. 35 years this guy's been doing it, ladies and gentlemen. Big round of applause. Make some noise. Jed Brock. Holy. I said, Jed, what did you do? I broke it. He's so used to breaking that kind of stuff. But these monster truck teams come with semi-trailers full of parts. We'll have her back together and repaired for our show tomorrow, we hope. So again, ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow, 12:30 pit party starting right here again, thanks to Legacy Co-op. We'll be setting up for the pit party, monster truck rides from the Rabbit Monster Truck out of Medicine Hat, Alberta. We'll be giving rides then too. Our main show starts at 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, so we will be set up to do the whole show all over again with both the monster trucks and the super modified mini monster trucks. And of course, our motocross freestylers are going to be here doing the same show. We got to thank all of our sponsors, and I want to give a big shout out to Saddles and Steel, Garth and the team, putting together the sound system for tonight, making it work. You got to have a pretty good sound system to drown out these 2,000 to 2,500 horsepower monster trucks. So they're going to work, got the team working to get Jed's truck back to the pits. Just got to get it off the car stack. And we know we don't want to leave it around because the next one up from Freestyle is from Quebec City. Has anybody seen anybody drive from Quebec City before? If you leave it on the track, it ain't going to look like that after Psychopath gets dealt with it. Oh, hey, we got some more swag. Jess, Neil, Jess and Neil, we got some stuff from our good friends at Cloverdale Paints. You want to make some noise? You got to get some t-shirts. Gotta make some noise. Holy, Neil's got a good arm. We should sign him up. Right there, make some noise. Neil's down front. Jess, good throw, good throw. Oh yeah, keep working the crowd. Look at the throw that monster Neil has, I tell you. Got them flags waving, make some noise. Oh yeah. Oh, Jess way over there. Good throw, Jess. Jess Ripple with the overhand. Big throw. Fantastic. Oh, she's still got stuff. Is anybody coming tomorrow? Yeah, I heard some people. Good stuff, good stuff. We're doing the same show all over again tomorrow. We absolutely appreciate all of you coming here tonight. So much going on here in Yorkton this weekend. It's a motorsports haven this weekend here. Car shows and booth nights and dirt track racing and motocross racing. It's a place to be. Yorkton, Saskatchewan.
That's because you're holy.
So we got Chad Wood, who's way in the back there. Sure be nice if we had a tow truck around here to do that, eh? Right? We got Ginny, but I don't know. She might not have the strength to pick up a 10,000-pound monster. It should be a little bit lighter now. It's just the tire. Should be a little lighter. Wow, I tell you. One more time, ladies and gentlemen. He's got a lot of work to do tonight. Jed Barcroft, give him some love, ladies and gentlemen. He's got some work ahead of him tonight. Oh, wait. So we're gonna get them back in a safe spot there. And then maybe, just maybe, we'll invite that guy from Key West City to come out and play. Psycho Pat is part of the Como monster truck team, based out of Ottawa, Ontario. Pat Bouquet is from Quebec City, signed up with his teammate to come here to be part of our all-Canadian monster truck tour, thanks to our Ram retailers in the prairies for sponsoring the entire Canadian tour. And we're very proud with Outlaws of Motorsports and the Performance Promotion brand to be able to bring you an all-Canadian monster truck show. Alright, so apparently that's where we're going to leave Jed for now. Then we can maybe get a record in here and pick him up and get him back to the pits. But I see red lights in the back there, ladies and gentlemen. Way back in the pits! That beautiful square body, Eddie Cole, give me some love on the square body, right? Square body all day. Coming out of Quebec City. And I'm going to find this right now. I'm going to move back here. Because he's coming in hot, ladies and gentlemen. This is Pat Bouquet. You gotta make some noise for Pat! This is where he shines! He can do whatever he wants! And he will! We're putting on a show and stuff tonight. Holy crap. This track that they built is eating monster trucks tonight. So unfortunately, Pat is now broken. Ladies and gentlemen, give him some love though. Pat Bouquet, Psycho Pat. We're gonna get all those drivers back here once we're finished up to do a little cheer off, and they're going to be around for signing up some autographs. Oh, here we go. You can see the red light working on the RII radio kill. Jeez. We've got a cell phone here, ladies and gentlemen. Somebody wants the cell phone? Hello to Wilson, Alberta, ladies and gentlemen. This is Brad. Very first time he's been down here. Just got word that crew behavior broke. Why not stay with tradition, right? All right, do you guys hear anything? You hear something? Come on! Guess where he's from? Right here in Saskatchewan, ladies and gentlemen! Coming out of Waverly, Saskatchewan! What they call a Jason Thomas! So far in our Canadian tour. And if everybody gets blown up, that car was for tomorrow. He just hit it. Oh, doing it wrong there, man. This is the most exciting freestyle that we've had here in our all-Canadian tour with the Ram retailers and the Outlaws of Motorsports. We need your help. We need your help to decide the winner of freestyle. So we should get our drivers out here. Get our drivers out here, ladies and gentlemen. These are the guys that put on the show. Give them some love. I tell you, we got a lot of carnage here tonight, but we're going to start off with the gentleman Jed, from Medicine Hat, Alberta, in sheer insanity. How'd you do? Oh man, he broke his stuff for you guys. Jed Barcroft, ladies and gentlemen, sheer insanity. Very good. Good job, Jed. All right. This guy just shows up and says, hey, can I have a truck to drive? Comes out of Edson, Alberta to Yorkton, hops into crude behavior. This is Brad Court. How do you do? Pretty good, buddy. Pretty good. All right. You gotta come all over here to this crazy dude here. How's it going, Pat? Not good. Oh, did you break something? Yeah. I kind of figured it's going to be a long night, isn't it? Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Quebec City, Quebec, Pat Bouquet in Psychopath. Pretty good, I'd say very, very close, very close. Ladies and gentlemen, this guy here, the only good thing that ever came out of Ottawa, Ontario. Standing right here, this is Barry Como. Truckee calls loud and dirty. How did he do in freestyle? Oh, I think that was pretty good. That's pretty good. And he drove the truck off too. Good stuff, good stuff. Last guy. Come on up here, ladies and gentlemen. How about this guy? Weyburn, Saskatchewan, ladies and gentlemen. The Truckee calls Roughneck. Jason Court, show some love. Tough call. I think we're gonna have to have a cheer off. We're gonna have to have a cheer off between Saskatchewan and Ontario. But don't hold me to that. You did a very good job. Ladies and gentlemen, between these two for freestyle tonight, your help, Barry Como and Loud and Dirty. Right here, ladies and gentlemen, Roughneck, Weyburn, Saskatchewan. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Awesome job, guys. Awesome job. One more time, ladies and gentlemen. Outlaws of Motorsports. Those are your performers tonight. Don't forget, monster truck rides until we're done for the night here. So get your tickets. We're going to have autographs right over here by the merch tent. Autographs over there. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Dallas Baillie Boys Towing. We're going to see you tomorrow, 12:30, pit party here. At 2 o'clock is the start of our show.
I brought the box.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the superstars of the motorsport are coming around. We're going to walk on the caution tape side over here, and we're going to have our autograph session just over here by our merch tent. We're going to open up the monster truck rides. We're going to give rides on the Rabbit monster truck till the last one goes for a ride. So the cell phone that was found is over after the session. If somebody lost their cell phone stable right in front of the winner of freestyle tonight, ladies and gentlemen, Jason Cordes, Roughneck.